Welcome back to Decor channel. Imagine walking into a home that instantly lifts your mood, where warmth wraps around you like sunlight on a quiet morning. That's the magic of a yellow farmhouse aesthetic. In this video, we're diving into simple yet stunning ideas that transform ordinary spaces into luxurious-feeling rustic retreats. Stick with me, because some of these ideas look high-end, but are surprisingly easy to recreate. Yellow isn't just cheerful, it's strategic. The right shade can make a space feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming without expensive renovations. From buttery tones to muted mustard, each variation brings a different personality. And here's the hook. Choosing the perfect yellow might be the most affordable way to make your home feel designer level. Pairing distressed wood with yellow walls creates instant farmhouse authenticity. Think exposed beams, reclaimed furniture, and lightly textured finishes. The contrast between rugged wood and soft yellow gives a layered, expensive look. What's surprising? Many of these wood elements can be thrifted or DIY'd for a fraction of what they appear to cost. Your entryway is your home's first impression, so why not make it unforgettable? A yellow farmhouse door, paired with black iron hardware and vintage lantern lighting, can look straight out of a magazine. The secret lies in balance, bold color grounded by rustic simplicity. A yellow farmhouse kitchen feels like the heart of the home, and it doesn't need a full remodel. Painted cabinets, open shelving, and ceramic accents can completely shift the atmosphere. Here's the twist: even small kitchens can feel expansive when yellow reflects natural light just right. Forget uniform cabinetry, open shelves in a yellow farmhouse kitchen allow you to showcase personality. Think stacked plates, mason jars, and woven baskets. The trick? Curate your items carefully. This makes your kitchen look styled, not cluttered, giving it that expensive editorial feel. A rustic yellow living room isn't about perfection, it's about comfort. Layered throws, neutral furniture, and soft yellow walls create a space that feels lived in yet elevated. Want a designer secret? Mixing textures, linen, wood, wool adds depth without adding cost. Old pieces bring authenticity that new items simply can't replicate. Incorporate antique frames, aged mirrors, or flea market finds against yellow backdrops. These pieces don't just decorate, they create narrative. And that storytelling element? That's what makes a home feel truly expensive. Lighting can make or break your rustic aesthetic. Warm-toned bulbs, iron fixtures, and lantern-style pendants complement yellow walls beautifully. Here's the hook: the right lighting doesn't just illuminate, it transforms your entire color palette into something richer and more inviting. A yellow farmhouse bedroom feels like waking up in a peaceful countryside escape. Soft linens, wooden headboards, and subtle yellow accents create a calming environment. The key is restraint. Too much yellow overwhelms, but just enough feels luxurious and intentional. Plaid, stripes, and floral patterns all work beautifully in a yellow farmhouse setting. Layering these patterns with neutral bases creates visual interest without chaos. And here's the secret designers use: repeating colors subtly across textiles ties everything together effortlessly. Bathrooms are often overlooked, but a touch of yellow can completely elevate them. Think painted vanities, vintage mirrors, and brass fixtures. The contrast between rustic elements and warm tones creates a spa-like feel, without the spa-level price tag. Why stop indoors? A yellow farmhouse exterior or patio brings that same warmth outside. Add wooden furniture, soft cushions, and potted greenery. The result is a seamless flow between indoor comfort and outdoor relaxation that feels both curated and natural. The real beauty of farmhouse style lies in blending eras. Pair modern pieces with rustic finds to create a balanced look. A sleek sofa against a yellow shiplap wall, for example, feels fresh yet grounded. This contrast is what gives your home a high-end, designer edge. If painting an entire room feels overwhelming, try a yellow accent wall. It becomes a focal point without dominating the space. Add artwork or shelving, and suddenly you have a feature that looks intentional, bold, and incredibly stylish. Reds and yellow are a perfect match. The natural greens pop against warm tones, creating a vibrant yet soothing atmosphere. Whether it's fresh herbs in the kitchen or potted plants in the living room, greenery adds that final touch of life and freshness. Here's where it gets exciting. You don't need a big budget to achieve this look. Paint, thrifted decor, and DIY projects can go a long way. The trick is focusing on impact, small changes that visually transform a space in a big way. Yellow farmhouse decor isn't just for one season. Add pumpkins in fall, greenery in winter, and fresh florals in spring. This adaptability keeps your home feeling fresh and current, without needing constant redesigns. A truly beautiful home isn't just about looks, it's about how it feels. Yellow farmhouse design evokes warmth, nostalgia, and comfort. It invites people in and makes them want to stay. That emotional connection is what elevates a space beyond decoration. At the end of the day, creating a stunning yellow farmhouse home isn't about spending more, it's about styling smarter. With the right color choices, textures, and thoughtful details, you can achieve a look that feels both simple and luxurious. So which idea inspired you the most? Because your dream farmhouse might be closer than you think.